address, Your Lordship's observations have further strengthened the significance of institutional mediation and access to justice within our legal framework. It's now my honor to respectfully invite Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice Suryakant, they have restricted time on all of us, so I may not refer all names here. Honorable Justice, Supreme Court, Honorable Chief Justice, Andhra Pradesh High Court, dignitaries and dayas and friends. And also here, distinguished jurists, mediators, members of the board, delegates and friends. This is a historical occasion. In my political career, I have seen so many times, but today is a historical event in the history of Andhra Pradesh. Honorable Chief Justice has spent one full day in Amaravati and Tirupati. We explained to him about Amaravati. We are all here. I am very happy on the dais. Honorable Chief Justice and also all judges are associated with our High Court. Two Chief Justices from Andhra Pradesh High Court are here. As a matter of fact, Amaravati is the people's capital. In the Indian mythology, Amaravati is the angel's capital. And also, living God, Lord Venkateswara Swami, is also here. They had a very good darshan. Today they have spent all day in Amaravati. I am assuring Honorable Chief Justice and also all Honorable Justice, even son of the soil, Narasimhan is here. And also Justice Bhattigaru, he worked in our High Court also, first High Court. And also today he shown his court hall also to us, where he served. And also Justice Bagchi is also worked here. Fortunately, that is where I told you historical day for Andhra Pradesh history. I am very happy, I am fortunate. Sir, we wanted to build one of the most beautiful city. When we gave a call, people came forward. We are prepared to give land. That is 33,000 acres of land. 29,000 farmers, willingly they came forward. It is a land pooling. This Amaravati is going to build land monetization project. Sir, I am proud to say the amount of confidence you are talking mediation, one of the best consensus project, Amaravati capital, that is built in the recent past, nowhere in the world. If you convince people, they will cooperate. Sir, now we are having very clear idea. So many cities are there. You have to witness time and again. Best model, green, blue, green energy, no pollution. I am assuring all friends here, all of you should have one house site in Amaravati. Finally, you will have better living standards and your lifespan will increase minimum 20 years. That is, I am assuring you, that is the city we are going to build, most livable city. Sir, today, sir, you explained our justice city also. I am very happy you gave some suggestions. One suggestion, sir, you have given Judicial Academy, if possible, more land. Sir, I need your cooperation. I wanted to build Justice City, one of the best in the country itself. You name Judicial Academy, you direct us as much land we are prepared to give. Second, Legal Service Authority and also Mediation Center. Even International Law University, Bar Council of India, they are establishing. By integrating all these things, the best justice city we wanted to build, we need your cooperation in the direction, sir. Sir, mediation, I'm very happy you are passionate. I have seen this concept. Even my father, I have seen my childhood. He used to work as a mediator. He was not educated, but confidence. Even that area, 20, 30 villages, they used to select mediators who are all respectably deal the issues. They used to deal number of days, 1 week, 10 days, 3, 4 sittings or 5, 6 sittings. Ultimately, they used to sort out the issue. Our Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh has rightly mentioned, he asked me, it is very less, mediator's fee, 3,000 rupees. It is very difficult. Can you enhance 10,000? My people told me 10,000, all of a sudden, more than 3 times. I said, if cases will be settled, 10,000 is not the issue. Immediately for every successful mediation, we'll give 10,000. Even unsuccessful mediation also will give 3,000 rupees. Ultimately, I'm very clear as on now we are watching. India is moving very fast. Vikasit Bharat 2047. As on today, we are 4th largest economy. Another 1 year, 2 years, we are going to become 3rd largest economy. By 2038, we will be number 2 economy in the world, largest economy. I am confident 2047, all of us will work together. India will be number 1 economy in the world. That is going to happen. Sir, ours is the biggest democracy. You are representing Chief Justice of India. What all you are laying foundation, it will go a long way. Sir, we are all, one is country is having demographic advantage. Second is our economy is maturing very fast. Third one, first more advantage of technology. All of us, we are moving from IT to AI. Tomorrow we are going to move quantum computing also. Sir, I have seen for the last 4.5 decades in my life,